This is the friends and family version of the Air Jordan 5 Fresh Prints. Only 23 pairs, and we have one of them. What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning into the Sneaker News YouTube channel. Today we have a brand new unboxing, one of the rarest pairs of sneakers in 2018. But before we show you what's inside this shoebox, do us a quick favor, hit that subscribe button. And we're posting new videos almost on a daily basis, so you're definitely gonna wanna check in. And of course, turn on your notifications so you know exactly when we post new videos. Okay, you guys ready? Like we said, this is one of the most limited Air Jordans of 2018, and it didn't even release. Let's check it out. So this is the Air Jordan 5 NRG Fresh Prints Friends and Family Edition. So as you guys know, on September 25th, Jordan Brand and Will Smith teamed up to release a special pair of Air Jordans to not only celebrate the influence of the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air TV show, but also to celebrate Will Smith's 50th birthday. So, of course, this was a special edition friends and family version that did not release to the public. Super limited. We're told that there's only 23 pairs worldwide. So in this video, we're going to detail everything you need to see about this particular version. We'll talk about possible resale prices. We'll talk about the return of the grapes, and of course, anything else that you do need to know about this shoe. So again, like we said, this was a special edition friends and family version that did not release to the public. Only 23 pairs based on what the brand is telling us. And basically, they're taking the original grape colorway of the Jordan 5, as you can see by the purple and the teal midsole, and they added a satin finish to the upper in like a bronze gold sort of theme. So they're adding more of that regal flair to the whole Fresh Prince theme. And of course, as you know, in the opening credits of the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, he's sitting on a throne. So we probably presume that that's where they came up with the color. They're trying to add some sort of the elegant, sort of regal King's Court kind of aesthetic to it. So the upper on this is indeed a satin type of material. You saw it in Air Jordan 1s in both the band colorway, the royal colorway. There was also the women's satin shattered backboards and the Al Ali May collaborations, but they're adding satin materials to the Jordan 5 in November. But it definitely pops with this bronze sort of gold colorway. It's definitely a deeper yellow of a gold tint. And they kept the original translucent netting on the upper. And if you look through that, you can see sort of like a similarly colored mesh sort of material. Flip that over to the medial side, you see much of the same very shimmering satin sort of finish, the same translucent upper window. You got the signature grape, purple and teal combo. And here on the tongue, what's interesting is that if you own a pair of the OG Grape 5s, you know that the tongue is made of like a fabric material. Here it's definitely like a matte material. Can't even really describe it. It's more of like a synthetic rubberized leather kind of feel to it. The Jumpman logo is indeed embroidered in teal. If you look on the inside, you got the black lining. The inside of the tongue says Air Jordan upside down because that's just the way it's supposed to be. And one thing that's really different from the Friends and Family version is that on the heel, there's a hot red, almost infrared-ish sort of Jumpman logo instead of the Nike Air logo that you saw in the general release versions. So they definitely changed up a lot of things for the Friends and Family version, aside from the gold satin upper. You know, you have the red Jumpman on the heel. They actually added laces to this one, which is pretty interesting. And if you look at the sole, they have the teal Jumpman at the forefoot, but instead of Nike on the other pair, you have Jordan. So this is more of the retro style, not the OG style. If you even look at the lace lock, you see the same hot red sort of tint. So it's almost like you have the aqua over here, and then you kind of have like a Raptors purple and red on the lace lock. So again, super limited, never released to the public, but these were blessed to us. Big thanks to the agency that worked with Jordan Brand to kind of give this some love. Of course, the first look came when Will Smith himself unboxed them on his YouTube/Instagram. But you know, we hope this gives you a better look at the shoes. In terms of resale value, it's really hard to say at this point. Too many pairs have not even really hit the market yet so far, so we'll wait and see. Because of the fact that it never released, it could be a shoe that fetches anywhere from $1,000 up to $10,000. Again, that's just the nature of unreleased Air Jordans and the fact that these are super limited, that these are only given to friends and family. So the fact that they were given to friends of the brand mean that probably will not find a lot of pairs hit, the resale market, whereas, school PEs regularly hit the resale market. Of course, there was that whole ordeal where the UNC football team had to suspend some of its players for selling gifts, but these, for example, definitely a unique pair. So the resale prices are still not quite firm just yet, but if you keep an eye out on the reseller sites, stuff like that, you'll definitely get an idea. So that's pretty much it. This is Air Jordan 5 Fresh Prince version for friends and family. Did not release to the public. Let us know if you like this more than the released version that had the white leather and the no laces. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you can see more unique footwear just like this one. And thanks for watching.